4200 Beauvista Padlock renovation video. I have no power to check any of the appliances. See, there's a hole and cracks in the light fixture on the front porch. Needs to be replaced. Damage to the outside vinyl needs to be repaired. I have no power to check any appliances. Some large touch-up paint, softer tin. Stains in the carpets throughout. Some may not come up. It needs to be checked out. See the glass to the stove is broken. There's also burn marks on top. It needs to be repaired or replaced. Broken drawer. Another broken drawer. Cabinet door taken off the hinges. It needs to be repaired. Another broken drawer. Large stain. Small damage to the ceiling. It needs to be repaired. Light fixture. The plastic in the kitchen is broken. It needs to be replaced. Downstairs have some damage to the baseboard. Toilet site. Seat stack. Wear marks in the carpets. Handrail to the stairs is loose. It needs to be repaired. More stains. It's a large trash out. It's furniture and household goods throughout. Door nose loose on the door. Door's off the hinges. Needs to be repaired and replaced. Shower has a shower head. Toilet is loose from the floor. Needs to be repaired. Plug outlet cover's broken. Needs to be replaced. Small hole in the wall here and a crack. It needs to be repaired. I hope you can see in the video, the AC filter is dirty and needs to be replaced. Shower has a shower head. A lot of stickers on the wall and several walls that need to be removed. Another hole in the wall needs to be repaired. This closet door is missing a door now. Bed bath needs to be installed. And that's about it.